Hello everyone. Today I'm bringing you a complete review of motion energy, a powerful ally in relieving pain and regenerating cartilage. Before we get started, it's important to note that motion energy is only available for purchase on the official website, which you can find in the description of this video. Now let's explore all the features and benefits of this incredible product. Motion energy is an advanced solution for alleviating pain and promoting cartilage regeneration. Its exclusive formula contains high-quality ingredients that deliver remarkable results. With motion energy, you can finally find the relief you've been longing for. Motion energy offers a range of amazing benefits. First and foremost, it relieves pain, providing significant relief for joint and muscle discomfort. With regular use, you can experience a considerable improvement in your quality of life. Moreover, motion energy kickstarts the process of cartilage regeneration, which is particularly beneficial for people suffering from joint issues like osteoarthritis. With continued use, it promotes joint recovery and strengthening. Another advantage of motion energy is its ability to alleviate muscle hypertonicity. It helps relax and loosen muscles, reducing stiffness and muscular tension. Additionally, motion energy combats swelling by helping to reduce fluid buildup in affected areas. This contributes to decreasing pain and enhancing mobility. Finally, motion energy is also effective at eliminating inflammation. Its formula targets the inflamed area, providing relief and helping to reduce inflammatory processes. If you're seeking an effective solution to relieve pain, promote cartilage regeneration, and fight inflammation, don't miss the opportunity to try motion energy. Visit the official website provided in the description of this video and take advantage of an exclusive 50% discount on your purchase of motion energy. This is a unique opportunity to improve your quality of life. Don't wait until it's too late. That's all for now, friends. I hope you enjoyed this review of the motion energy product. If you suffer from joint pain, cartilage problems, or inflammation, motion energy may be the solution you've been looking for. Take advantage of the special discount available through the link in the description and take an important step towards regaining your health and well-being.